go.
Hello
Down.
guys, we are now going to Sapa to do the laundry, guys. So James carrying it now since it's heavy and he don't want me to carry it. So let's go.
Here we go.
Here we go. That is our rice field, guys. It's really clean right now because my father cleaned it. Indian mangoes. This is our way going to creek. Wow. Coconut. Very beautiful today. It's sunny. It's perfect when you do the laundry, guys. For sure it will dry today. Oops, be careful. We have a lot of rice fields, guys. Oof. Be careful, babe. It's really slippery because of algae here. This is what we are using, guys. A water pump here.
Look at these guys.
We have gasoline, of course, in case.
All right.
Yeah, really clean.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's clean.
Hi guys, I'm starting now the laundry.
All right, guys. This is where the locals take their bath in the Sapa
Yeah.
and wash their laundry.
I have powder here, guys. The powdered soap.
The powdered soup.
James teasing me. It's a powdered soup.
That's what you told me. You were going to buy powdered soup. Okay.
And sometimes, guys, there's a crab here every night.
Yeah,
You see that frog?
frogs and crabs, guys.
That's edible. That's clean frog.
That frog is edible?
Yeah,
Wow.
that's neat.
Yeah, back in Missouri, there's frog hunting too.
Yeah. I'm starting the laundry now. This is our place where we wash our laundry. And sometimes, guys,
This
there's
is
a crab here.
This is where it is, guys. It's like it's in a deep holler here, guys. There's a spring water that comes out of the ground here, and this is where the locals from this area bathe, right?
Yeah.
I noticed driving up here on the motorcycle, riding up here, that there's always a lot of people going up and down to the creek. Like, I think most of them are using these springs for bathing, yeah? And washing their laundry.
Yeah.
And I see a lot of little kids carrying like 2-liter bottles of water.
Yeah.
They're getting water from the creek.
Using a gallon. We call that gallon.
Gallon? Gallon?
Gallon.
Okay. So they're bringing a gallon of water up. That's 4 liters from the creek. Little guys, maybe 5-6 years old, huh?
Yeah.
Already carrying water.
I am like that size also. I carry it.
Back up to the house from here?
Yeah.
Wow.
We don't have motor pump.
No pump back
No
then.
pump.
See, they got a gas pump here, guys. And this is how they pump the water up to the house. We've also got a well over there. And we had the electric pump hooked up to that, but it got broke and we took it out to fix it. And then we took it down to our building site to use to pump water from the creek over there for making the concrete. Because the water district is almost useless over there. We don't get much pressure at all, nothing.
It's easy for me, guys, to wash here because I can use my feet. I use my feet if it's really hard.
How many crabs are in there?
A lot every night.
I saw your niece caught one once and she cooked it.
Yeah, she cook it.
Did it taste good? So guys, there's always crabs in here if you come over here in the evening.
You saw that holes, guys?
Yeah, they live in the holes there.
And they're
Sometimes there are snakes. Karen told me the snake came after her the other day. What happened?
Yeah. Because I take a bath here every day and sometimes the snake cross the road.
The snake crosses your path over here?
Notice me.
That's not a road, Karen. That's a muddy path.
Muddy path.
A muddy footpath. So the house is way up there, kind of straight up, guys. And this is literally where everybody comes to bathe here and wash the laundry. So I'm going to buy a washing machine. We're going to buy one at our house where we're building in Aranas. But the problem is, we can't buy it until the floor is completed, poured, right?
Yeah.
So
and we have enough water. Water that
we're going to have to install rainwater catchment. And we can use the rainwater initially until we get the well drilled. But the Nawasa, the water district, is not much.
I never used a washing machine, guys, since then.
Never used a washing machine.
Yeah. I don't know how to use. Even a burner, I don't know how. Until we have. no here. A lot of machine. If you are living in a mountain here in Philippines.
Very interesting.
For our rice also we use carabao.
Oh yeah, the rice fields are downhill over there, guys.
Carabao.
I'm gonna walk over there for a minute, and then I'll come right back. Show it this.
But I clean it already. Ready for.
Can I go underneath there, or should I go above? I'll go above. The water flows on the bedrock here, guys. Tatai chopped a pit in the bedrock, basically. What's there? That's what it looks like on the other side of that. Very deep draw down there. It goes way up there, and then there's a mountain probably going 100 feet up that way. There's Tatai now over there, taking care of his baka. That's what it looks like up here. All right, Karen. Now the natives here, their feet are all very calloused. And mine are getting a little bit calloused, but my feet are still soft. So if you guys are going to come here and live up in the mountains, you got to decide whether you're going to just not wear any footwear up here, which is probably the safest thing to do. But it's going to hurt. It's going to hurt without sandals at first.
No, here. No shoes. We use our
bare feet. And you got calluses.
Yeah.
Which is
our fingers serve as a spike.
Tatai, I noticed, can really move in his bare feet in the mud and
it's like this. Because if you carry it with water, wow, it's so heavy because it's cotton. I'll just take this.
It's a nice, about 85 degrees, guys, and very breezy here. Feels good.
Yeah. Time to put a powdered soup.
Powdered soup?
Yeah.
Right.
Time to put powdered soup. In America, mostly of people are using washing machine or like this.
Washing machine. Everyone. Very few people are washing clothes by hands anymore. Washing machine and then the dryer. That's a huge amount of energy consumed versus what you guys do here in the Philippines. They're not even using a pump to pump the water, so the amount of energy used here is like to wash your clothes is basically everything's by hand. In America, you would pump water to the washing machine, out of the washing machine. The washing machine's got to agitate, and then you're gonna take it out of the washing machine and put it in the dryer. You're gonna use electric or natural gas to make the heat and blow the air through the dryer. Yeah, a lot more expense as far as energy.
How's the water and electricity in America? It's expensive too?
Yeah, it is expensive. Wow. Probably $100. Anybody that's on a public utility, a small family, probably using between anywhere from $40 to $100. Depends on how much they're using.
Here is our electricity bills. It's like 1,000 plus
So around $20 for electricity.
Yeah.
But you guys don't really use too much electricity.
Yeah.
You don't use air conditioning. You really don't need it up here in the mountain.
Electric fan.
You use electric fan and refrigerator and lights, and that's maybe the radio, the TV. Once in a while, you watch a little bit of satellite TV. But other than that, yeah, that's all they need it for. And when the power goes out here, they don't really miss it very much. Not like in America if the power goes out. You guys can survive up here indefinitely with no electricity. That's very different than in America. In America, if the power goes out for more than a week, I think every people will resort to...
Guys, this is the very easy. So that later on, it's easy to use your hand. There's no dirty. Because sometimes, guys, my hand is... My skin is thin compared to my mother. That's why. It's much better if you have music here.
Music?
Then you dance here. Oh! Very easy way.
So when did Tatai chop this out of the bedrock? Did he do that during a
Before
during a drought
before the
to get more water? Was it dry?
wet.
It was wet.
Uh-oh.
Oh, he was chipping away at it. Maybe a
He made this sapa, guys. Tatay made this
chiseling
sapa.
at it.
Before my mom did that to me.
And we do have a drilled well here, and we do have electricity.
Yeah, but sometimes, guys, if it's drought, too much drought, no water here.
How much was it to drill that well over there? Because there's a well up the hill, guys, with a hand.
Like 28,000 or 30,000.
28,000, 30,000?
Yeah.
It's not bad. They've got a well with regular casing, a drilled well. But they always find themselves here at the Sapa. Why?
But the water here is really refreshing when I use for my body.
You guys like this water.
Unlike guys in rainwater.
Rainwater doesn't clean so good, huh?
Yeah.
And this is normal here in this
Because there's
area,
a
guys.
holes there, guys, that this water came from.
In this province, this is what everybody's doing. When you ride the motorcycle up the mountain, and you see people, they're often gathered at the creeks washing the springs. They choose a spring like this. The water's pretty well clean, and this is just normal way it's been done for since the beginning of time, huh? All right, I'm gonna stop here. You gonna be sad, Karen, when we get a washing machine and you don't have to come here and wash the laundry anymore?
Yeah.
We only got a few more weeks left, guys, and then we're gonna buy a washer. So no more trips to the Sapa, unless you just want to come here to cool off and jump in.
It's fun here.
It is. It's a nice atmosphere here.
Yeah.
They put a tarp over here, guys. They used to have a metal roof here. That's why the metal's there.
That roof is for water pump.
Yeah, the water pump. But it's a nice place to come. If it's ever unbearably hot here, all you gotta do is come here and jump in. Yeah?
Yeah. The water is so beautiful.
It's clean. Even though there's crabs and frogs in it, it's clean enough to bathe in.
Our carabao like the water here.
They do. I'll bet they do.
They get Tatay get a using bucket and then they
Yep,
drink.
I'll bet they love it. All right.
Depends.
My 5'11" tactical pants.
Traditional washing machine.
A traditional washing machine.
It's muddy. That's why I need to use spit before using brush.
This is the way millions of people are washing their laundry, guys, in the Philippines province.
Done. I will use. So, wow. Exercise. James enjoying washing his laundry. How's the feeling? How's the feeling?
I don't know. It's kind of strange.
Wow. That is the traditional washing machine.
This is an Anglo-Saxon washing machine.
Yeah. That is double purpose. Exercise and then laundry.
All right.
Look, check it if it's clean already. Your pants.
What has happened to my 511 tackle lights, Karen?
Wow.
They're tough. They'll be okay.
Yeah.
Good. All right, my 511 tackle light pants.
Wow, we are finished now, guys. And James is putting already our...
That was an ordeal. You want to go buy the washing machine today?
Yeah. You didn't squeeze. So that maybe it's heavy, huh?
It'll be okay.
Not heavy?
Is this
Wow.
good?
Yeah.
You expect me to carry this up the hill?
Yeah.
All right. All right, let's go.
Let's do.
All right, here we go. Up the mountain.
James is bringing the laundry now, guys. Going home. Wow. Look at this.
Try not to fall. There's Patay down in the lower right here.
Yeah, Tata is there, guys. Wow.
Beautiful.
Very beautiful. I hear Guinea's boys. Maybe they're hungry. Need food. Oh my god, it's slippery. A lot of coconut shell here, guys. Mangoes. What here, be? Wow. What was
Now
that?
what are we going to do?
It's okay now.
Good.
Good.